Hello friends, welcome back, and if you're new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. Today I'm going to start off with my geranium, but I have only two such pots. This is one geranium which was in bloom last time, and that's the floral stalk. I was waiting to see if any pods form, but no chance. I think pollination has not taken place. This is the geranium, the last geranium that I had bought, and it has 3 branches, so I was thinking of at least taking a cutting from one of it. I think it will be wise to take from the oldest. This is the oldest one. I'm still thinking, actually. I have not decided. Now this is another geranium that I have, and this is from the lot I had bought from Darjeeling. I had 6 of them. All 5 are gone, and this is the final one, the remaining one. Now this is the geranium, the cuttings which were given to me by Rosa. She had given me a bunch of them, all planted in these 2 pots, but finally these are the remains. So you can very well understand how difficult it is to propagate geranium from cutting. Now this is my snake plant, doing extremely well. Now that's my pretty aglaonema, which is doing extremely well. It looks happy and cheerful. And from this particular plant, I had separated one plant and given it to my younger cousin. And right now I don't have any plans of removing. Let's see what happens, what I do. Now this is my sedum. Look at the change in the color. All the leaves were green and now it is turning dusty pink. Oh my god, you look like candies. Now this is another pot which is one of my favorite, very close to my heart, as all the leaves I had dropped here have grown into plants and now they are quite big and they look so beautiful. Now this is another plant. This is the Wandering Jew, given to me by my sister-in-law Prakriti. She had given me a tiny one, and see how big. This is the asparagus fern, which I am showing after a very long period, as I have changed its position. Now it is placed there. Oh my god, look at my bougainvillea. What a vibrant burst of colors. Look at the different colors in a single bunch. Very pretty. It's going to make each and every one of you happy. Look at the shades, different shades in a single plant. Now that's my mini jade, as called by some, or the Portulicara afra variegata. It's a tiny plant but a cute one. I just love it. This pot is an interesting one. You can see different types of plants out there. One is the cryptanthus, one is the zygocactus, and you can just see some of the leaves of the succulent. That's the Graptopetalum superbum. I had just placed it there, and wait, I'm going to show you what is the development. Can you see the pink roots? I have to be very careful with this particular pot, as I have numerous leaves rooting and developing pups there. Now this is also a zygocactus, but it's not my one, the orange one. This I brought from my younger cousin. It's pink in color. Let me show you my dollar plant. After 2 leaves, finally I can see a baby leaf out there. And this is the development that is taking place in my dollar plant. Now that's the painted lady, or the Triscanthia, the miniature one, and I have placed it in a sunny spot, and this is the development. So thank you my friends for staying till the end. If you all have liked the video, do give a thumbs up Share it with your friends and family members. If you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing and stay tuned for interesting videos. So till we meet again, it's bye for today.